Hi everyone, I am Nitin Cheke, the student of Brisang Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is the story of a book, The Greatest Salesman in the World. In this video, I will narrate the first two pages of a story. The Greatest Salesman in the World is a famous book. This is a very inspirational story, and it is written by the American author O.J. Mandino. There are more than 15 million copies of a book are sold all over the world, and the book is converted into different 25 languages. So in this video I will narrate this story. One day what happened, a old person was standing in front of a mirror, and the name of a person is a Hafid, and Hafid was a richest businessman. But while observing himself in the mirror, he was thinking that he is become old and his age is become increasing day by day, but he think that his eyes were still younger. Then there is a description of various wealthy things which are present in the Hafid's house. There were some spacious marbles, then there are some columns which are polished with the gold and copper, then the table were engraved by the ivories. After some time, Habib moved to the warehouse, and at the door of the warehouse, his manager Erasmus was waiting for him. After meeting to the Habib, Erasmus greeted him, but the Habib was very confused and he was confirmed, and he was thinking that why his master, that is Habib, has an emergency meeting with him in a warehouse. Hafid enters into the warehouse and observes all the goods. There were different goods which are imported from the various countries. After observing, Hafid asked to Erasmus that how much wealth they have in their store. Then Hafid replied, there is near about 7 million golden talents. Then Hafid recommended to Erasmus that don't buy or don't purchase uh, any more goods and convert all the goods into the gold. The Erasmus was shocked and he is surprised by the decision of his master, and he became confused and asked to the his master Hafid that we have this is the most profitable year and why you take this decision. Then Hafid said to the Erasmus that recall your first command whenever you join on a first day of your job. Then Erasmus realized that his master had told him that half of the profit of the every year distribute to the poor peoples of the city. So on the first day of joining of Erasmus, Hafid had command to Erasmus that near about half of the amount of profit of every year is to be distributed to the poor peoples of the city. So in this video I have discussed about the first two pages of a story of a book, The Greatest Salesman in the World. The further story we will discuss in a next video. Thank you.